Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In today's video we are going to answer for a Xenea wallet daily quiz. So for 11 March 2025. So as I promised to provide a daily quiz for Xenea wallet. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. So let's go direct and claim our daily points. So here, let's click on claim. For calculation tools, we get 114 a daily point. So let's go for a quiz. Start. So today's answer is a Uniswap. Which of these is not a layer 1 blockchain or Uniswap? Uniswap is not a layer 1 blockchain, which is all those this one like we have Solana, Avalanche, and Xenea must be a layer 1 blockchain. So Uniswap are not a layer 1 blockchain, which is like Dex Dex exchange. So yeah, that's it. So and again, don't forget to come and collect your spot point, which is like you used to give it daily in the retro. So and again, can scroll down and do the remaining tax, like the tax that you didn't do it. So like if you do the tax though, you don't need to come and scroll down for doing the tax and killing the fine. So here that's it. So if this is your first time to approach my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video too.